I'm Sensible Ronald from SEB Engineering Services Limited, also SEB Institute of Welding and Technology, and also the president for Welders Society Uganda, an organization that brings welding companies and fraternity in together, research, innovations, and technologies. I also sit on the board for the African Welding Federation. Today we've been here for a 3-day session under UVTAB, under the Ministry of Education, and TVET, reviewing curriculums as industrialists that are going to be implemented within the next coming intake of students. And this has been on a level of a diploma in welding and fabrication. So many others have been there, mechanical and different kind of other sector skills, but specifically today we've reviewed the diploma in welding and fabrication, checking what has been developed by the industry, putting in what is required by the industry on standard, and I praise that it has been developed very well, and we've managed to put in new inputs according to welding standards, codes that are globally recognized, not only for Ugandan context training, but we need now to have a welder or a supervisor. Actually, the diploma is about a person who is at level 5. And this person at level 5, we assume that he has done level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Now at level 5, we are looking for a supervisor who can integrate all this information into companies, supervising, managing, aligning with international standards, integrated management system. And this time, for a good way, we've integrated the management within the training. Not like we need to find the integrated management within the industry, where companies are ISO certified and then people don't understand the language. People cannot understand the welding codes and standards. People cannot perform things in the right standards. So we've integrated it very well that any training or any trainee that takes up this diploma will be able to work in a highly certified organization, and also building capacity for other organizations that are in welding and fabrication industry. So these are going to help us today and the next generation to bridge the gaps and weaknesses that have been into a problem or have been a problem to the manufacturing in welding and fabrication industry. So that's what we've been today, and it has been a really good one, and these reviews by the industry are continuous. We call them continual improvement. As the industry develops, also training institutions must develop to match the industry standards. On behalf of the welding fraternity, as the president of Welders Society Uganda, I thank the team that I have worked with on reviewing this diploma in welding and fabrication. Actually, it has not been there in Uganda, and we are very happy that the TVET now understood that things have to change and to work with the industry. Therefore, it will be a good output, because we've been looking for supervisors in the industry. Today, I'm sitting here coming to review as an industrialist for 3 days, but because we have trained people who can supervise our organizations that are working under standards, regulations of the industry. Therefore, we call upon industries to support. We need to support the education sector. Yes, the government has come up, the government is ready, but the industries need to support the education sector. Those industries basically in steel to support the steel industry and the welding industry in institutions so that to improve our standards.